guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing okay today. I am doing a tag video. This is from Beauty by Angela's channel. She tagged me to do the quarantine tag. This tag was created by Lisa I and inspired by Courtney K. I do want to give credit where credit is due. There are 10 questions. Some of these were interesting and gave me a run for my money on what I wanted to answer them with. And then some of them were generally pretty easy. So, the quarantine tag. Number 1. Let me get out of the way that Miss Belle is in here. She is having a rough day. She come to say hi and left some scratches on me. Give me your cheese. We call her Baby Belle Cheese. She is Miss Belle. Come here. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. I know. It's horrible. You gonna sit here and do this with me? Okay. So, number 1 is... what is your work situation? And have you adapted your routine? So, my work situation was I stayed at home already. I stopped working a few years ago, and my husband is the sole provider for the household. Before that, like I've said, I did 21 years of healthcare. But staying home was not a new thing for me. The point of having to stay home, that's where you get a little stir crazy in yourself. The second part of that, and how have you adapted your routine? Not well, funny to say, since I was home already. Like I said, the fact of having to stay at home kind of makes it a lot more stressful to deal with, I guess. Number 2, what have you been binge watching? So, I have been binge watching The Daggum Tiger King on Netflix. And I want to say thank you to everybody in America, because I kept hearing about it and I wasn't going to watch it. And yep, I'm wrapped up in it. I will give you my thoughts on it once I get done with it, and don't spoil anything for me. Number 3, have you read anything interesting lately? Yes, if you go on Facebook, you will read all kinds of interesting things all day long. No, I do wear glasses. I have a problem seeing. I used to read quite a bit. I don't read so much anymore, just for the simple fact that my glasses give me a headache if I wear them too long. So, no, I have not been reading anything interesting. So question number 4 is a 3-part. Question 4A is, has your makeup routine changed at all? Yes, it has. For a while, I wasn't putting videos up. I wasn't touching my makeup. I wasn't doing anything with my vanity whatsoever in any shape, form, or fashion. So, yes, it had changed. 4B is, do you still wear makeup? I do on occasion. I am getting back into the routine of putting my makeup on and sitting over here and playing and getting that more creative side of me that I like to dip into, which is why I collect it and do what I do. And 4C is, what has been your favorite makeup product while in quarantine? Now, y'all are going to try to come for me, but while I said this was a product that was not needed, it was a very unnecessary step in your makeup routine. If you're not really doing makeup on a day-to-day basis, this product is very nice. And I'm talking about the Farsali Liquid Glass. I have been just putting this on my face in the mornings after I wash it. It's got a nice glow. You look in the mirror and it's just very nice to look at. It just gives you a little something extra without all that weight down on your face, and you don't have to sit down and take the time. And then sprays. This is the one that I used getting ready, so we'll go with this one. Just face sprays in general. I've been noticing I've been using quite a bit more. I don't know if it's with the changing time, season, whatever have you, but I've been enjoying my face sprays quite a bit more. So number 5, have you learned a new skill? Yes, I actually have learned a new skill. For months and months now, y'all have heard me talk about how I want to do eyelashes, and I work on them, and I try and I practice, but I have now been putting them underneath my own eyelashes. I think they look very good. It takes me less than 5 minutes, and I'm wearing them right now. So I do like the new skill that I've learned. I was very proud of myself, and my husband thinks it's amazing because now I don't shut up about it. But I can do it, and that's the point. Number 6, have you given into TikTok, dances, or food trends? Food trends. No, I don't do TikTok, but I do enjoy watching people that do have TikToks and food. Where? Oh, food trends. No food trends, just food. By the time this is all over, my husband can roll me to the car so we can finally go somewhere. No food trends and no TikTok. I do good to work Instagram, so we're just going to leave that there. Number 7, have you had a video chat, happy hour, or have you stayed connected with friends or family? Now, most of my immediate family, my daughter still lives with me. My son lives in town, and then my parents live 2 houses up the road. So I do check on my parents daily. As y'all know, my mom just turned 59. I thought she was turning 60, so apparently she gets to turn 60 twice. And then my dad just turned 70 and is on oxygen, and he's not falling apart, but he's not a spring chicken. So I am very close to my parents. That is something I do on a daily, if not multiple times a day. So yes and no, not a face-to-face, but I am still staying in contact with my family as much as possible. Number 8, what have you ordered lately, if anything? I've been ordering a couple of different things. I finally tried C-Color Cosmetics. I've been hearing Flawed and Fabulous and Coda and Orion's Adventures. Those are 2 channels. Talk about that company for a while, so I finally took the plunge and ordered from there. I do have a couple, the edit sale from FabFitFun coming in, my Boxycharm add-on coming in. I ordered from Sugar Lips Shop off Instagram that will be coming in. I got a new palette from Profusion that I will be doing a look on. And then I ordered from a dog bandana company that I will be doing a video on, but they make matching scrunchies, and then your dog has a bandana and they match. So me and Chloe are going to do a video for y'all with that. That will be coming as soon as it gets here. Shipping is crazy. Everybody knows that. So I'm not going anywhere. So there's no real big rush. Number 9, have you texted your ex? LOL. No, guys, I don't even know if my ex is still alive. So we're just going to leave that right there. Number 10, what is my quarantine playlist? Now, I didn't know if that was music, movies, videos, or what. But right now I am doing, excuse me, I am doing playlists for YouTubers that are needing watch time hours. So I am watching Vegas in Stilettos, J Girl Beauty, Rhonda Said, Flawed and Fabulous. If you know anybody that needs their watch hours, please comment down below and let me know. I would love to go and support them. We are all needing our watch time. I know Vegas is monetized, but Vegas has been there for me for a while, and I will always go and give her support. But I would love to support other people if you know of any. But that is the end of our quarantine tag. Like I said, there were a lot of interesting questions on there and really made you stop and think for a minute. So if you'd like to do the quarantine tag, please do so. Please do give credit where credit is due as far as the creator and who was inspired to do the video. Please do go over and check out Beauty by Angela's channel. She's amazing and you'll love her. If you haven't got her already, because God knows I've talked about her. Oh my gosh, guys, I almost forgot to tag somebody myself. So, with this quarantine tag, I'm going to tag Miss Candy Sass, and let's tag Miss Rhonda Sid also. It's been a minute since I've interacted with their channels, with my channel, so I'm going to tag those two people. I hope y'all play along. And again, thank y'all.